Para mí es muy importante.
No, pues le digo, yo soy muy observadora.
Y está bueno que lo sea. Yo también me observo mucho. A mí me importa, y lo que uno me importa lo
Yo sé.
I'd like to welcome you aboard JetBlue Flight 734 service to Boston. We'd like to introduce ourselves and welcome you to JetBlue. My name is Cindy and it's my pleasure to be working with Erica in the Mint Experience. We do have Aaron mid-cabin and DHA over the wings. Our captain is Antonis. He'll be assisted by First Officer David. Our estimated flight time is 5 hours and 5 minutes. Your safety is always our top priority, so please give us your attention while we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. You can follow along with the safety information card in your seatbelt pocket. Federal law requires you to follow all lighted information signs, posted placards, and especially crew member instructions. Customers are encouraged to report any unwelcome or inappropriate behavior to an in-flight crew member. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle and pull on the shaft to tighten. To release, lift the top flap of the buckle. Please keep your seatbelt fastened, the one tied across your lap even when the seatbelt sign is off, and have your seatbelt visible to the crew at all times. Your life vest is in a pouch under your seat or in a console between seats. If instructed by the crew to open the pouch, remove the vest and pull it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, secure the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten. As you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down firmly on the red tabs and blowing into the tubes on both sides. A locator light on the shoulder will turn on automatically in water. Never inflate your vest inside the aircraft. This Airbus A321 has 8 emergency exits, 2 doors in the front, 4 doors mid-cabin, and 2 doors in the back. Each door is equipped with an evacuation slide. The slides at the front and back of the aircraft can be detached and used as rafts. An additional raft is located in the last left overhead bin. In the event of an emergency, leave all personal belongings and proceed to the nearest exit. All exits are clearly marked with a sign overhead, and lights on the floor also guide you to the exits. Please take a moment now to locate your closest exit, and remember it might be behind you. If there is a change in cabin pressure for oxygen masks will drop from overhead, firmly pull the mask towards you to start the flow for oxygen. Remove any face covering, place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth, pull the elastic band around your head and tighten using the straps on both sides. Even though the bag may not inflate, oxygen will be flowing. Be sure to put your mask on first before helping others. We'll let you know when it's no longer needed. If you have any questions about the aircraft safety features, please don't hesitate to ask. We'll be coming down the aisle for one last check. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened, seat rack is upright, tray table is stowed, and all carry-on items put away. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes or vaping, is never allowed on any JetBlue flight. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in aircraft restrooms is a federal offense and can result in a fine.
Hey folks from the flight deck, we're going to be number 1 for the runway. Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.